Kaizer Chiefs assistant coach Cedric Case has confirmed key absentees ahead of Amakos' do-or-die CAF Confederations Cup preliminary round second leg encounter against Kuposkop. Chiefs trailed the tie 1-0 after a shock defeat in Talatona, Angola last weekend and will need nothing short of a victory at FNB Stadium on Saturday afternoon to keep their continental ambitions alive. Addressing the media on Friday, Case revealed that new signing Khanyisa Mayo is unavailable for selection after missing the CAF registration deadline. The Soweto Giants will also be without Paseka Mako and Sipesihle Ndlovu, who both sustained injuries during last weekend's 1-1 league draw with Maromo Gallants. He said, unfortunately, Mayo can't feature because we were not able to register him due to the deadline, having already passed when he joined us. We will also be without Mako and Ndlovu, who picked up injuries in the last game. Vice-Captain Zita Kunika, who accompanied Case at the briefing, underlined the importance of bouncing back in front of their supporters and said, we're excited for the game, and I think this time around will be a bit easier because we now know what to expect from Kopaskop. They like marking man for man and are quite physical, so it's about us making the right corrections from the first leg. The boys are ready, we will fight for the badge, and most importantly for our country, the focus is winning the game tomorrow and qualifying for the group stages. With Amakosi facing a must-win scenario, the FNB Stadium faithful will be hoping for a spirited performance to overturn the deficit and keep their CAF Confederations Cup journey alive. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.